Hello teacher and hi everyone. My name is Kung, and in this video I'm going to explain my automatic assembly and packing system of Spongy cake. For my system, it consists of 4 stations: sorting, assembly, topping, and packaging station. So let's start with sorting. First, I'm gonna use a start button, and when we press start button, it will start 4 conveyor 1, 2, 3, 4, and I use 2 capacitive sensor to sort out the 2 sizes of cake, and these 2 will be responsible to control the separator. This is the separator. It used like pneumatic system. Like this is the cylinder up here. So this is my plan layout. So when we push the start button X0, this conveyor 1, 2, 3, and 4 will start, and then the cake will move along this conveyor, and the cake will be detected by these 2 capacitive sensor. And if the sensor detect the medium cake, this separator will activate it, and it will go up, allowing the cake to go upward. If it is small, the separator will not be activated. So let's see the diagram. So when I push the start button, the 4 conveyor will start it. Now for example, it detects the medium size, so the upper sensor will be activated. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 steps, the separator will be activated because I use a shift register function. So let's move on to assembly station. And for this station, I'm gonna use 3 sensors, which are sensor to activate the machine, and these 2 sensors will be one is capacitive, one is inductive, and these 2 will be responsible for the pusher. So let me explain. When the cake come here, this machine will lift up. It's like use suction will lift up the cake, and this part will provide the cup, and then this machine will drop the cake onto the cup. Now it activates. The machine will be turned on for about 2 seconds, and it will turn off automatically. For the pusher, when the sensor detect like 2 cake, for the upper part 2 cake, and the lower part I use 3 cake. I will detect 3 cake. So let's talk about, in this video, just talk about the upper part, because these are the same. Only the top is for the medium size, and the lower part is for small size. So when it detects 2, this pusher will activate it, like the pneumatic cylinder will push it onto a new conveyor, and then when this bar, it's like a metal bar, when it push, it will go forward. When it go forward, when it get detected by this inductive sensor, it will send it back. So now it's 1, 2. Now the pusher will activate, and when the pusher reach to the sensor 5, it will be reset. It will go back. Now the topping station. In topping station, I use 2 sensors. One is for counting and another one is for topping. And there's 2 machines, the chocolate topping and nut topping. And for the small one, there's gonna be strawberry topping and sprinkle topping. Here from now on, the cake will come as a pair, will come as 2, 2. So when it get detected, this one will count, and then when it move like 3 steps, the chocolate topping will be activated, and another 3 steps, which is 6, the nut topping will be activated. So it's 1, and for this one, I will count it until 200. 200 multiplied by 2, it will be 400, because the total cake for the medium, it's gonna be 400 or 100 bucks. So let's move on. When it count 2, when it detected the cake, also the X7, after 3 steps, 3, now the chocolate activate. Now the 3 steps, which is 6 steps, the nut topping will be activated. Now let's move on to packaging station. Here I use 3 sensors. One is for count, one is for the conveyor retraction mechanism, and the last one is to move the packaging conveyor. So how it works is like, first this one will detect 2. 2 mean 2 rows, so it's like 4 cake. So after it detect, the gate will be open for a certain amount of second, and when it moves to this part, the sensor will detect the cake, and this conveyor will retract back, allowing the cake to drop onto the box. And when X23 detect the cake drop, it will move the conveyor for about 1 step, for a little bit, to move downward. So X11, when it got 2, now it's delay for 1 second, and then it will activate the gate. One second, it open for 2 seconds, then it will stop. It will close back, and this one is the retraction, and the last one is to move the conveyor. And this part is it's the same as the upper part, it's just for the small size cake. And that's it for my presentation. Thank you so much.